Vajji. The territory of the Vajji Mahajanapada extended from the north of the river Ganga and extended up to the Tarai region of Nepal. Vaishali was the capital of the Vajji confederacy, and other important towns included Kundagrama, Bhognagara, and Hattigama. Its unique administration was carried out through an assembly called the Gana Sangha. Unlike Magad, which was strongly monarchical, the Vajjis had a form of republican government. The Vajji Mahajanapada consisted of 8 clans. Each of the 8 clans had their independent status, though some of the clans were more well known than the others.